In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email alerts in Salesforce. This process is straightforward, and by following along, you'll be able to configure your alerts to keep your team informed of key activities. Let's get started. First, open up Salesforce and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to navigate to the settings. To do this, look for the small gear icon often found in the upper right corner of your screen and give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options to choose from. What you're looking for is Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the search bar. Here, type in Email Alerts to filter through the options presented. This will streamline your process by taking you directly to what you need, saving you time from browsing through unnecessary sections. Once you see Email Alerts in the search results, select it, and you'll be directed to the Email Alerts page. On this page, your task is to create a new email alert view. You'll see an option labeled New Create New View. Click on this to get started with setting up your alert. As you begin to define your alert, it's essential to include a description that is clear and descriptive. This will help you and others understand the purpose of the alert at a glance. Accompany the description with a unique name. This is crucial because it differentiates your alert from others, especially in systems with numerous alerts. Next, you'll need to specify the object that will trigger the email alert. Consider what kind of activities or updates should cause an email to be sent. For instance, this could be changes to an opportunity, a new lead, or any other object you consider important for your business processes. Choose an object that aligns with your goals for the alert. After selecting the object, you'll have the option to choose an existing email template or create a new one. Email templates are incredibly valuable as they allow you to use merge fields for dynamic content. This means you can tailor your emails to include specific details related to opportunities, leads, or other data directly from Salesforce, making your communications both personalized and automatic. With your email template chosen, it's time to specify the recipients. You can select from a range of options, such as specific users, roles, or even the record owner. This flexibility ensures that the right people receive the email alerts, keeping everyone informed and engaged. Finally, once you've determined the alert's recipients, review all your selections to make sure everything is set up correctly. Then simply click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully created an email alert in Salesforce. Your team will now receive timely notifications, enhancing communication and productivity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up email alerts in Salesforce efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to make the most out of your Salesforce instance.